एक मिनट अरे एक सेकेंड अरे रुको नीचे रखो ना नीचे रखो एक मिनट अरे उमेश
also come personally herself and done it. You know, that's two things. You donate something, but you come and.
But it's also our duty. It's absolutely our duty. So we're doing this together, and we're very happy about it.
She's done a fantastic job, and hopefully we are trying to do the same and come back as a society and give back to the society. So, thank you.
I think that it's really sad people don't have the basics. And I remember yesterday I messaged him. I go, Daniel, what are we doing? And he said, this is how much money we're going to give, and this is how much stuff we can buy with it. And I think when you can give something as basic as food, a nice meal, a nice warm meal to somebody who has been suffering, no electricity, their homes are gone, everything that they've possessed their entire lives have been destroyed through all this. I have goosebumps. Thinking about how I would feel if that was happening to me, and both Daniel and I feel if we could give a warm meal, then it would make us so happy.
Any message you would like to convey to your fraternity and the people? Somewhat in Hindi also, if you want to say.
In Hindi,
Donate more.
जब आप डोनेशन की बात करते हो, आई थिंक जो आपके दिल में है वो ही करना चाहिए. Whether it's 1 rupee, 5 rupee, 100 or thousands, जो भी आप कर सकते, even if it's just telling somebody and giving them hope. अगर आप किसी को hope ही दे सकते that सब कुछ अच्छा होगा, शायद आज अच्छा नहीं है but कल होगा, and there's people out there that will love and care and send donations, and hopefully this is just something very small compared to what they need, so hopefully it helps. Dal rice, food, yeah. Hello, did we not tell you guys to stop? Stop flying for 1 minute.
Actually, they're flying to Kerala right now.
What is the most one important thing people need at this time? अभी किस चीज़ की सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है?
I think that the list is, मैंने लिस्ट देखा जो ज़रूरी चीज़ें जो चाहिए, इतना बड़ा लिस्ट है that I think anything would help. Anything would help at all. Even if we're donating, ये जो कपड़े जो हम पहनते नहीं है, like box all that up and maybe send that. That you don't have to give. That's not about spending money. पैसे नहीं चाहिए उस चीज़ के लिए. So maybe if everybody donated something in their homes, we can all collectively help everybody.
It is very praiseworthy कि सिद्धांत you and Pratik have come up for this. Mr. Bachchan has also.
No, this is not my idea. This is their idea, and I am.
No, but
I've come to support.
She's here, so she's a part of it.
she is a part of it. That's Bunny. She's also a part of it. Please come. Please come.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Picture of yours.
Side.
कोई रुका है क्या? कोई रोक पाया है किसी को जाने? ये सड़क नहीं है, मैं थोड़ा ऐसा on your right for video. हाँ, 1 मिनट अभी मुझे दो, अभी शांत on your right